So today I'm gonna do a Babe Original unboxing. So there's their logo. Okay, so today that's the shipping label. Anyways, I received their lip mask. Yeah, it's their Babe Glow lip mask. So let's see. This one is, it says that you wake up with softer lips. We'll see. And it has like all of these cool ingredients. I just love their products, their packaging. So I don't know, we'll see if this one works also. You just apply it in the night and overnight, and that's pretty much it. So, which I always need a lot of moisture on my lips. I get crusty lips. I always run out of lip balms. I have to use them every day. My lip mask, I'm using the Lawless one, this one, but it's good to have an extra one so I won't run out, you know, because these can run out. You can run out of them quickly because they're kind of small. But let's see if this one works. I'm gonna try and test it out right now. I haven't applied anything. I woke up a while ago, a few hours ago, so let's see. Let's open. So love it. Okay, so I just love their packaging too. Like, it's so cute. Oh, it looks like a Barbie packaging, like a Polly Pocket, like kids makeup. I don't know. I just get happy with the packaging. That's it. It's so cute. Again, it's pink. I'm not a super pink person, but this is making me love pink. Like, what? I just love the aesthetic. It's very girly, like feminine. Like, this looks like a cream, like it doesn't really look like a lip mask, but I don't mind. I just love their packaging. This, see, that's their logo. Lip mask, Babe Glow collection, and it looks like it's pink. Everything's pink. It's Barbie pink. Wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yeah, it just comes with a cap. Ooh, it's pink. So yeah, like I said, and sorry, it doesn't have a scent, so it just looks pink. Okay, so it looks very pretty so far. It looks like it has a lot of product. I feel like it looks deep, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it works on my lips. This is not plumping, it's just to moisturize your lips, so it's nice. So yeah, I think it's gonna be good. It's like any other traditional lip mask, but I've never used lip mask before, barely this year, like a few weeks ago with the Lawless. This one's good too, so let's see. This one's good. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out later, and then okay, so this is like my before. That's scarring because I get anxiety, so I bite my lips a lot, and that led me to the scar. So, and a lot of lines because of my anxiety. Anyway, so it looks crusty right now. They're not crusty because last night I put lip balm, so I'm trying to just put lip balm at morning, at night, and during the day, so they're not super crusty like they normally are. So especially now more since I have backup mask and lip balm. So yeah, if you have dry skin, you know. So yay. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Yay, thank you Babe Original for sending me this, and I do have a link for you to purchase their products. I don't have a discount code, but just a link. So if you shop through there, I think I get like a commission a little bit. If you want, you don't have to, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.